What's happening, party people? New episode, Pasty-T Garage. Today we are working on the 1997 Mazda Miata. And what we're going to be doing is a dome light bulb replacement. Now, as you can tell, it's not working. So we're going to go ahead and set it up and check out to see if the bulb is bad. Pretty sure it's the bulb. Wiring on these things don't really go out that often. There's not too much to them. Usually just a ground and some wires and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and take off that cover, check the bulb out, and go from there. So, got our little handy dandy pocket screwdriver. There's a little detent on both sides. We're just gonna pop that. Pop that out. It's gonna pop and fall. Yeah, so you can see a little 4 feet. There's the bulb itself right up in there. So we're gonna pry that out, check it out. Oh, yeah, you can see it's already broken. Oh yeah. Yeah, obviously the bulb is bad. It just came apart in my hand. So we're going to throw that old one away. Get that other piece out. Now, luckily enough, I have a replacement. I didn't realize that I had a replacement. I looked at my old bulbs and I happen to have one. So we're just going to shove that guy back in there. These are not keyed to where there is a certain way to put them in. Basically, they just ground. And then, there we go. Bulb replacement. So there's an on, there's a door open, and then there's an off. And basically the door open, which apparently the switch itself is just kind of a little off. That when you open the door, and you can see the door switch right here. When that's open, it basically just tells the dome light to turn on. So now the only thing we have to do is put the cover back on, and you're just going to line up, make sure that the little switch goes in that hole, and we'll just press it on like so. And now you're done. That's it. Easy repair. Super quick repair. It was just something that when I bought the car, the bulb didn't work, so decided to go ahead and change it. Thankfully I had a bulb. I might replace that to an LED later. I don't have an LED that fits that size, so I couldn't do that today. But we did have another bulb to do. So that's gonna do it for me today. Super short video. If you like the content, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment below. Thanks everybody. See you in the next video.